how to fix GTA 5 loading story mode problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do, just go to settings and then go to gaming, and after that turn off Xbox game bar and go to game mode, turn it on, then go to graphics settings. Now just turn on this one, you'll find it like that, just turn it on, then go back, and after that right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel, click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply and close it. After that restart your PC. After restarting your PC, just click here and right click and close all applications that you don't need, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Then just try to open GTA 5 and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.